Do you want to know how to generate money online in the simplest method possible? I've got it all figured out for you! Do not worry if you believe it will be hard for you to test, because it is available internationally, which means it will function in almost any region on the planet. It is one of the simplest methods to generate money online, and all you have to do is use Google and 2 more hidden websites that I will expose in this video. The best part is that you won't have to sell anything. You won't have to do anything with affiliate marketing or anything related to it. You do not even need a large amount of social media followers, and it is completely free. This technique has the potential to earn you thousands of dollars. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to be updated whenever I upload new and trendy money-making videos. Also, smash that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions, ideas, or suggestions. Now let me show you the hack to making money. We are gonna start here, where I will be showing you guys how to use Google to make some really big money over and over again. It will be partnered with a free tool that you will be utilizing to double or triple your money potential. Now just know that all of this is absolutely free. You do not need any experience of some sort, you do not need any over-the-top skills, and anybody around the world can do this. Make sure you do not skip any part of this video, because if you follow all these steps without skipping, this will take you literally less than 30 minutes to set up and get started. Another good thing is that it pays in PayPal. If you prefer not to use PayPal, that is fine. There are other different payment options to choose from so that you can start collecting your Google money. So our first step is to open Google and type in Google News. After you hit the search button, you will see in the search results, the very first that will be on the list is this website called news.google.com. Click on that and it is going to bring you to the Google News site. So this website is almost like an online newspaper where it has got these different sections as well. We got business news, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, all types of news you are looking for. There is such a wide range and a vast amount of information on here. This can be expected though, since a lot of people use Google as their search engine. So they come on to Google to search for so many different stuff, news included. It is basically the most visited website around the world. With that being said, we have got worldwide news and local news, and news about everything you can think of, all here on Google News. Now you might be thinking, how can Google News help me get PayPal money? Well, to answer that, make sure you stick around until the end, because I will be showing you exactly and step by step how you are going to do just that. So what you are going to do is you are going to select one of these categories, and it is best if you stick to categories like business and technology, or maybe science and health. For this video's example, I am going to use health because given our present day situation, this topic is a highly sought after topic. People are always in the buzz today, looking for information about health related matters and information, so we are gonna go with that. Click on a topic. For this example, we have health, and it is going to take us to this page where we can see all the latest articles and information about health or any health related issues. What you are going to want to do is to scroll and find an interesting or up-to-date article that you think most people would want to read or are inclined to have interest in. So in this page, basically, the health category section of Google News. You can type in on the search bar above anything about health that you want more information about. So I am going to type here, lose weight. And just like that, after hitting the search button, different articles and the like are going to show up in the search results. This is a specific health topic I want to focus on for this example. And as you can see, there are some really good articles on here. There are some that talk about studies regarding weight loss, even tips for losing weight. So what you are going to do next is to click on an article, make sure it is a good one. Do not worry, you are not going to write anything, create a video around it, or anything like that. Also, this has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. So anyway, going back to what we were doing, After selecting an article, it will bring you to a page showing the contents of the said article. So this article shows us some tips on how to lose weight. So what I am going to do is I am going to highlight the text that I want to copy. Then we are going to go ahead and copy this text before heading out to the underground website. If you guys are enjoying this video, take a quick pause and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. This helps me create new money hacking videos for you guys. Now let us get back to the video. Now our first underground website is called spinbot.com. So what Spinbot is that it is a free automatic article spinner that will rewrite human readable text in additional, intelligent, readable text. Similarly, if you need a paraphrasing tool, Spinbot will get the job done for you for that purpose as well. So basically, what we are going to use this website for is that it will paraphrase the articles that you select from Google News for you. In other words, and just like what I mentioned earlier, you are not gonna have to write a single thing. In this case, Spinbot will do the work for you. So what you are going to do is you are going to paste here the text you have copied earlier from Google News and then click on the reCAPTCHA box so you can proceed to click on the go button. After that, your rewritten or paraphrased text will show up in the box below. See how it changed it for you? You had no writing to do and you did not even have to create the article. That is how simple and how powerful Spinbot is. Now, this isn't just it because there is more. Now that you have copied and pasted your article and Spinbot has rewritten it specifically for you, you now have your own article. You are going to be putting these articles on 3 additional websites that are going to pay you per word or per article. Such a lucrative opportunity. So let us get to it. The first website that is going to pay you for these rewritten articles is called eatingwell.com. Now this is a website that pays you per article. Now with this technique I just showed you guys earlier, it will be way easier for you guys to do this without having to actually write anything. Now you might be wondering, how are you going to submit these articles? Simple. You go to the writer's guidelines, which you can find by looking it up on their search bar. You will see here that they will pay you to up as much as $1 per word. You will also see a bunch of instructions and the like on how to put your article up on here, such as this one where they prefer to be emailed. You can just copy that email and use it to send your article, which you can take from spinbot.com. After submitting it, they are going to read it, and if they select it, they are going to ask you for your payment details so they can send you your payment. The next website where you can submit these articles is called sierraclub.org. So if you scroll all the way down, you can see there are a bunch of options you can choose from. Under More from the Sierra Club, select Sierra Magazine. It will take you to another page that you will need to scroll again all the way down, and under About Sierra, click on Submission Guidelines. It will then take you to another page right here that discusses Sierra Magazine. Just scroll down a bit and you will see the submission guidelines. Click on Guideline for Writers. It will then bring you to this page where it tells you these simple instructions on exactly how to submit your articles. It even tells you what to use in the subject when emailing them, as well as adding a brief description of the topic of your article. The last website where you can submit the pre-written articles done by Spinbot is dailyjstor.org. This one doesn't pay quite as much, but it is still a great valuable website to submit your articles and get paid. For more details on how to submit your articles, just scroll down to the end of the page and you will see under About Us, select on Submission Guidelines, and from there, you will see the instructions and such on how to submit your articles, as well as how you are going to get your payment afterwards. So just by using Google News and Spinbot, plus the 3 different websites mentioned earlier, you can start creating an income online. And that's it! You can now start earning money easily from your home. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and leave a like on this video. And I'll see you next time!